Hello there, YouTube. Well, today I'm going to bring you a little video about how to hook up your Xbox 360 to your hotel's wireless internet. I'm sure there are a couple people out there looking for a video on how to do this. It's a lot harder to hook up your Xbox 360 than it is your PS3. The reason for that being that there is an internet browser on the PS3 and there is not one on the Xbox 360. So I'm going to show you how to hook it up. Things you're going to need is an HD TV or a TV with RCA adapters, an Xbox 360, and a wireless device, as in a tablet, phone, computer also works, a laptop. Laptops are a little easier to use, but I'm going to be showing you how to do the tablet version today. This is going to be on an Android tablet, Samsung Galaxy Tab 2. There is a little difference between the Apple way to do it and the Android way to do it. There's only a few keyword differences, but it would be something that you would have to really know how to get into. But after this, you'll probably know how. So first thing we need to do is go to our tablet, and first thing you're going to want to do is sign into the internet for the hotel, which I have already done, and I'm going to show you that you need the MAC address, because that's the identification for the router to what device you are. That's what shows the router what you are. And the reason you're going to need the MAC address off this, because if you hook up your Xbox 360, it's going to notice that there's two MAC addresses. There's one MAC address actually for two devices. So there's a little bit of trickery involved here. What you're going to do is you're going to want to log into your hotel internet like I've done right there. You're going to want to take this, go all the way down. You're going to want to find About Device. Click on that. Then you're going to be taken to this screen, and you're going to want to click on Status. Status is going to show you your Wi-Fi MAC address. That's what we need right there. That number right there is what we need. And write that down, or keep it on the screen. That's what I'm going to do, is keep it on my screen. Then you're going to go to your Xbox 360. And you can tell it's not hooked up to the internet or anything, because it's telling me to go register Xbox Live and all that, connect to Xbox Live and everything like that. I'm going to show you right here that I do not have a data cable hooked up in any way to this Xbox. So I'm going to be completely wireless. The first thing you're going to want to do is take a controller, tab over to Settings. You're going to go System, and then you're going to go take the System Settings, go down to Network Settings. And then you're going to go find your Wi-Fi network. Now, of course, mine's Red Lion, so I'm going to click on it. It's going to tell me that it's an unsecured wireless network, which basically means don't do anything that needs to be on a secure network on this network, i.e. banking, stuff like that. We're going to hit yes because we're only playing Xbox. It says multiple networks with the same name have been found. This is just meaning that there's routers with there's additional routers with the same exact name. And in a hotel, this is common because when they have multiple wings or something, they're going to put more routers in to improve speed in that wing. It's more of a customer feature. Okay on that. And it's going to start testing. What you want to do is you want to stop the test. You want to go up to Configure Network. You got two tabs in here, Basic and Additional Settings. The first part in this basic settings, it's going to be the router you're on, the network type, and the wireless security. As you can see, there's no security in here. You got IP settings and DNS settings. And what you want to do is you want to set your DNS settings and your IP settings to automatic. The reason you want to set them to automatic is if you port forward for games, it's going to automatically look for that port, and you're not going to be able to connect. So if you set it to automatic, you will be able to connect. You're going to go over to Additional Settings, go down to Advanced Settings. See, you got an alternate MAC ID in there right now. It's not the one we're using. You're going to click on Advanced Settings, and then you're going to hit Alternate MAC ID. You're going to want to delete this MAC ID, and you're going to want to put that MAC ID in right there. Not that one exactly, but the one on your device. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put this in real quick. Let's see. Now, I don't know if it has to be, exactly like it is on the thing, but I like to just for safety's sake. That way I don't have to come back in here and try and change all these letters. Okay, and once you've done that, you can either go down to done right here, or you can press the start button. That will also confirm that you're done. Okay, now that you're done, just a little tip here. This is the MAC address of your device, the one that it would use if you do not put in an alternate MAC address. And so this is the reason why it would kick you out saying it did not have an internet connection, because it would say that you have not accepted the terms and conditions. This alternate MAC ID right here, the current setting, as you can tell, alternate MAC ID is in the green. That one has been accepted on the terms and conditions. And if you don't know what I mean by terms and conditions, when you go on your device, this one right here, and say I was not logged into this network in advance, like I am now, it would pop up a little screen here that says, please accept terms and conditions, such and such, blah, blah, blah. And basically what that means is you agree to adhere to their policy of internet, meaning no torrent downloads, no file sharing, things of that nature. So if you want to run a quick check, maybe you've been to this hotel before like I have, you might already be set up for that, but you will have to accept its terms and conditions if you've never been there. You do have to accept the terms and conditions to get internet access. Every once in a while it'll kick you out and you'll have to re-accept them because maybe they changed something or something. But so that's a little tip on there. We'll go back to the Xbox here. So I'm still in advanced settings. You want to go down to done, hit A, and then you're pretty much done. You want to go back, not forward, back. You want to take this to this screen, the network settings screen. Before you do the test Xbox Live connection, you want to come down to your tablet or Android phone. You want to exit out of this. You want to pull this down, and you want to turn off your Wi-Fi access. You want to turn off your Wi-Fi access again because if you have Wi-Fi access enabled, it will not allow you to use the same MAC address for two devices. So make sure you disable your device that you are not going to use but you're duplicating the MAC address from, which would be your tablet or phone. And then we're going to go up here, we're going to hit Xbox Live connection. And it's going to test, it'll test the network. The network is the Xbox 360 to the router, which it's doing right now. And then see, it was connected. So then we'll do the router to the internet, the red line to internet, which it's doing right now. Now, if this does fail, which it has been known to do, there are one of two things you can do. You can either A, redo the test, like it is doing right now, or, no, it went. See, look, it's connecting. If it does fail, you can do one of two things. You restart the test, which if it fails, it will ask you if you want to restart, and it'll give you a reason, which you can't really do anything about the reason. It'll be NAT error or DNS server error. The only thing you can do is really turn off your Xbox and turn it back on. That's how I used to fix it if it would not work. So that's a little tip. If you turn it off, turn it back on, it should connect. So we are successfully connected. It has given me a connection warning. You cannot connect to Xbox Live, but you can connect to Xbox Live, but your current network configuration may limit your online experience. Select more info to fix the description and how you can fix it. All this more info is going to give you is you need to unplug your router, which you can't do. You're in a hotel, so it's expected that your online experience is going to be horrible. So I just go down here, hit cancel, and I am now connected. And to show you that I am connected, I'm going to back out of here. And you remember when we started, we had nothing on that screen. It just said connect to Xbox Live, right? Well, we're going to go to the screen, and as you can see, I have Explore Xbox Live, I have advertisements, I have, Need for Speed stuff. If I go all the way over, see, look, I got everything in there. And to show you that I am not just playing with you, pulling on your leg a little bit, I'm going to sign into Xbox Live. I think a few of my friends are online right now, so it'll show at the bottom that I have some friends online. I got a message. See, like I got 3 friends online. And I'll go over to my apps. Go into Netflix. Take a minute to upload. There it goes. See, it's going to Netflix, and as you can see, I am successfully on Netflix. I will start the last Family Guy I was watching, which it does.
You always wanted a real diamond engagement ring?
Oh my
That's right, I bought a horse.
As you can see, it loads fairly quickly. Video on this I have not had a really problem with. Online play I do, but that's about it. If you like my video, please leave a like, comment below if you have any questions. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching YouTube, and have fun using your Xbox in the hotel. Oh, a little side note as well. Apple products, Apple iPhone, iPads, iPods, this will not work. What you do need to do is when you sign into the Wi-Fi network, you need to go find your Wi-Fi address. That's your MAC address, but it's only labeled as the Wi-Fi address. I believe it's in general, and then go about, and then go about halfway down. I'll try and do a video here later about it, but yeah, that's iPods, iPads, and iPhones. This is for Google or Android tablets and Android phones. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.